Hi all, welcome to Aruru Naturals. Today, let's discover the amazing benefits of almond oil for both your skin and hair. Almond oil is packed with vitamins like E, A, and D, and rich in healthy fats. It's a natural solution to enhance beauty from head to toe. Skin benefits of almond oil: deep moisturization. Almond oil absorbs quickly into the skin, keeping it soft and hydrated. Reduces dark circles and tans. Regular use can lighten dark spots and reverse sun damage. Fights signs of aging. It helps reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and keeps your skin glowing. Heals dry and irritated skin. It soothes inflammation and promotes healthy skin repair. Hair benefits of almond oil: nourishes scalp. Massage almond oil into the scalp to reduce dryness and itchiness. Strengthens hair roots. The nutrients in almond oil prevent breakage and promote growth. Adds natural shine. It makes your hair soft, silky, and easier to manage. Reduces dandruff. Its anti-inflammatory properties help control flakiness naturally. So if you're looking for a single solution for healthy skin and shiny hair, almond oil is a must-try. This nature's gift is gentle, effective, and perfect for daily use. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Aruru Naturals for more natural skincare and wellness tips.